In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly open a new calendar event editor using a simple shortcut in Chrome. This is a quick and practical tip that can save you a few clicks whenever you need to create a new event fast. Instead of opening your calendar first, navigating to the right page, and then selecting the option to create an event, you can jump straight into the event editor from your browser's address bar. To begin, open your Chrome browser and look at the URL address bar at the top of the window. This area is also called the Omnibox, and it's where you normally type website addresses or search terms. Click directly inside that bar so it becomes active and ready for text entry. If there's already a web address showing, that's completely fine. Clicking in the bar will let you replace it with the shortcut you're about to use. Next, type cal.new into the address bar exactly as shown. Make sure it's entered as a single phrase with no spaces. This shortcut is designed to take you directly to a fresh calendar event page, which makes it especially useful when you're in a hurry or trying to stay focused on your workflow. It's a simple command, but it can make scheduling feel much faster and more seamless. Once you've typed cal.new, press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do, Chrome will launch a fresh event editor window instantly. This means you'll be taken straight to the screen where you can start entering the details of your new event, such as the title, date, time, and any other information you want to include. If you use calendar tools often, this can become a very handy habit. It removes extra navigation and gives you a direct path to event creation right from your browser. It's especially helpful for busy workdays, quick reminders, or moments when you need to capture an appointment before you forget it. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the address bar, type cal.new, and press enter to launch a new event editor immediately. It's fast, clean, and easy to remember, making it a great shortcut to add to your daily routine.